Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. For this situation, we need to divide this one into complementary solutions. And particular solutions. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Now if we do third derivative of this one, we will have about lambda to the power of 3 and we have e to the power of lambda s. This one we have fourth derivative of this one and we have lambda to the power of 4 e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solutions, so we just put this equation equals to number 0, and this one we have lambda to the power of 4 e to the power of lambda s plus lambda to the power of 3 e to the power of lambda s. So we can do about factorization by e to the power of lambda s. So this one equals to number 0. So we can do about factorization by lambda to the power of 3. So we have lambda to the power of 3. That means we have lambda equals to number 0, 0, and 0. We have 3 number 0 in here. And the next one, lambda equals to negative number 1. So we have yc equal to c number 1 e to the power of 0s. So in this one, 0s, that's about number 0, e to the power of 0, you got about number 1. So we have c number 1. Because we have the second number 0 in here, so we have c number 2, and we put about s e to the power of 0s. So this one we have number 1. Now we have c number 3, s square, and the next one we have c number 4, e to the power of negative s. Now let's go to particular solutions. We have only s, but we have third derivative of y and fourth derivative of y. So in this one, I will put about yb equal to as to the power of 4 plus bs to the power of 3. We don't need to use about s square s, because if we do third derivative of this one, s square and s, they are number 0, so that means they are disappear. So if we do third derivative of this one, we will have about 4, 3, 2, so that should be about 24 as. This one we do third derivative of this one, so we have 6b, and we do fourth derivative of this one, so we have 24a. Because we just have only s, so we just sum everything in here. That means we have coefficient of S is about number 1. So 24A equals to number 1. So A in here equals to 1 over 24. We don't have the number in here. So that means 6B plus 24A equals to number 0. But we have 1 over 24. We put this one cone here. And we have number 1. So number 1 we put on the right and we divide both sides by number 6. And we have negative number 1 over 6. So YB we have 1 over 24. And that's it about A in here. S to the power of 4 minus 1 over 6. S to the power of 3. Now we combine the solutions. YC that's it about this one in here. And YB that's it about this one in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.